Okay, welcome to lesson 68, percentage and applications. Lesson 68 of numbers and operations. So here's our objective. Here's our vocabulary. Okay, our first example. Okay, 15% of sophomores surveyed said that they wanted a career in entertainment. How many was that? Well, this is just a straight 15% times 188. That is easy enough for us to calculate. So 0.15 times 188 equals 28.2 as a number, but we cannot have 0.2 of a student. So when dealing with word problems, you need a whole number. So it's about 28 students. All right, our second example. A school librarian ordered 130% of the 46 books she ordered last year. How many books were ordered? So, again, 130% times 46. And that is easy enough. Straight multiplication. So you got 1.3 times 48 equals 59.8, but you cannot leave a decimal. So we'll say about 60 books. Okay, example 3. Find the total cost of an item that costs $69.95 with a sales tax of 106%. So if this is 100% and this is 6, we have 106 total percent times 69.95. That's a 1.06 times 69.95 gives us 74.15, rounding off to the nearest hundredth. And that's the new price. Find the sale price of an item that costs $47 with a 40% discount. So we know if this is 100 and a discount is 40, 100 minus 40, the item will be worth 60% of its original price. So now this is straight multiplication, 47 times 0.6. And again, 47 times 0.6 gives us 28.2. But when we're dealing with dollars and cents, we're not dealing with 28.2. This is $28.20. Okay, these are all our videos. I will see you at the end of the video for the recap. Okay, so we got 0.21 times 192. Gives us 40.32, or about 40 students. Okay, schooling of 102, we're looking at a 101% increase. Gives us 103.02, which is actually 103 students. You cannot have any decimal point of a student. All right. Final total cost with a sales tax. So we're going to do 129.46 times 107. And we're going to get $138.52. And finally, find the sales price of an item that costs $92.50 with a 25% discount. If the original amount is $100, we have a discount of $25. We know we're just going to multiply 0.75 times $92.50 to get the sale price. Which is $69.38. $69.38. Okay, that's the end of this video. If I moved a little too quickly for you or you missed something, please go back and watch some of the early videos dealing with percentages so that you can be caught up in this as quickly as I was going. So thank you for watching these videos. Remember to subscribe and like, hit that notification bell.